Hurry, friend. We're on our way to feed baby goat. She needs to eat her graceful green grapes so she can do a big jump off her haystack.
Oh, don't worry, baby goat. You'll land on your hooves soon. I just know it.
We know what you need. Some graceful green grapes.
You bet. They'll help you fly through the air and stick that landing.
Poof! Bouncing barnyards. The graceful grapes have lost their green color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the graceful grapes missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color green? Looks like we picked yellow. Let's try one more time. Crackling corn husks. That's it. You found the graceful grapes missing green color.
Now that you've had some graceful green grapes, want to try your jump again? Let's feed our friend Baby Pony.
We're gonna bring her frozen green farm apples. They're just what she needs to do her tractor-rific ice skating tricks. Hey there, baby pony.
It's a little too warm out to go ice skating, huh?
Not to worry, baby pony. These frozen green farm apples are so cold, you're gonna feel like you're skating on the North Pole.
Nay!
Oh, rooster feathers! The frozen farm apple's green color has disappeared!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Does this look like the color green? No, that's purple. Let's try one more time. Is this the color green? Chirp and chickens, you got it. You found the frozen farm apple's green color.
Hooray! Now Baby Pony can finally practice her ice skating.
She needs her yippee yellow yucca fries so she'll feel brave enough to go down a big slide.
Look at this little cutie. Are you ready to go down the slide, baby goat?
Oh, poor little goat. We know you're nervous. That's why we brought you some yippee yellow yucca fries.
One little bite, and you'll be ready to zip down that slide, yelling, Yippee! Yikes! The Yippee Yucca fries have lost their yellow color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Yippee Yucca fries' missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try another color. Did we turn the yucca yellow? We didn't. That's pink. We'll have to try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Yippee Yucca fries' missing yellow color.
Now Baby Goat can finally give that big slide a try. Come on, let's go feed Baby Pig.
He needs some bread red sailing salsa so we can go on a pirate adventure.
Hey there, baby pig. Looks like you're almost ready to sail the high seas. Arr.
Now you just need some red sailing salsa to send you on your way. Oh, well, avast me hearties. The sailing salsa has lost its red color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the missing red color. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's pick again. Is the salsa red now? No, that's green. What about this color? Shiver me timbers! You did it! You found the sailing salsa's missing red color.
Now that you've had your red sailing salsa, are you ready to hit the high seas, Baby Pig?
Howdy, friend! You're just in time!
We're headed across the barnyard to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat some orange strength sweet potatoes, so he'll have the strength to knock down a giant block tower.
That was a good try, Baby Pig.
But it looks like you could use some help. Ready for your orange strength sweet potatoes?
They'll give you the strength to knock over that whole block tower. Lickety-split. Here you go.
The orange strength sweet potatoes are missing their orange color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. We need to pick again. Are the sweet potatoes orange now? No, that's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Hovering honeybees, you got it. You found the strength sweet potatoes missing orange color.
Now that you've had some orange strength sweet potatoes, you'll finally have the strength to knock over that block tower.
Hey, you! We're just about to go feed Baby Goat.
She needs to eat her goofy green guacamole so she can make us laugh and laugh. Come with us.
Oh, Baby Goat, are you already being a little silly?
Ready for your goofy green guacamole? Then you can think of all kinds of ways to make us laugh.
Here you go. Oh, goodness gracious. The green color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the goofy guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's red. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this green? Not quite. That's orange. We need to keep searching. What about this color? Genius, gang! You got it. You found the goofy guacamole's green color.
Baby Goat is finally ready to be the silliest baby on the farm.
Time to feed Baby Pig his purple power plum so he can swing super high on the swing.
Hey, Baby Pig, do you need a push?
It's okay if you need help, baby pig.
Don't cry, baby pig. We've got just the thing to help. Purple power plums.
They'll give you the power you need to pump your legs and move that swing.
Over in honeybees, the plums lost their purple color.
We can fix that, but we'll need help.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing purple color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's green. Here's another color. Is this purple? No, that's the color red. We need to pick again. What about this color? Pow! You picked it! You found the Power Plum's purple color.
You're doing it, baby pig! You're pumping those legs like a pro! Hi, friend! You are just in time to help us feed baby Pony. She needs her orange super sweet potatoes so she can be as stupendous as a superhero.
Look how high you stacked those blocks, baby pony.
Aw, don't cry, baby pony. We can fix your block tower.
And once you have some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to keep that block tower safe from anything, just like a superhero. Oh, tractors! The super sweet potatoes' orange color is gone.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing orange color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's blue. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this the color orange? No, that's red. We're looking for orange. What about this color? Hoppin' honeybees, you did it! You found the super sweet potato's missing orange color.
All fixed!
And now that you've had some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to save that tower from anything.
Yay! Let's go feed baby Pony!
We're gonna give her brown jumping gingerbread so she can hop extra high on her trampoline.
Yay! That was great, baby Pony!
And once you have some brown jumping gingerbread, you'll be able to hop higher than the moon.
Yay! Oh no!
The brown jumping gingerbread has lost its brown color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's pink. We need to try again. What about this color? Is this brown? No, that's green. But what about this color? Is this the color brown? Tractorific! You got it! You found the jumping gingerbread's missing brown color.
Hooray! Now baby Pony will be able to jump higher than ever!
Mia and I are on our way to feed baby pig. Come with us. We're bringing him some stylish red sushi rolls so he can have a whole lot of fashion fun playing dress up. Oh, looking good, baby pig.
Aw, you look great all the time, baby pig. But maybe a bite of stylish red sushi rolls will help you come up with some fabulous costume ideas. Rooster feathers! The sushi roll lost its red color!
Oh, don't worry, baby pig. We'll get that red color back. We just need some help.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. We need to pick again. Is the sushi roll red now? No, we turned it purple, not red. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Hoppin' hay bale! You got it! You found the stylish sushi roll's missing red color.
Now baby pig will have so many costume ideas! Wait. Well, hey there! Milo and I are on our way to feed baby pony.
We're bringing her some spin-around brown brownies so she can get her hoop to spin just right.
Yay! Aw, don't cry, baby pony. It's not easy to get a hoop spinning.
That's why we brought you some spin-around brown brownies so you can get that hoop spinning round and round. Well, bless my barn. The spin-around brown brownies have lost their brown color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pony find the missing brown color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color brown? No, that's pink. Let's try a different color. Did we turn the brownies brown? No, we turned those brownies blue. What if we picked this color? Bingo! That's brown. You found the spin-around brownies missing brown color.
Now that you've had a bite of those brownies, you'll be spinning that hoop in no time.
We're on our way to feed baby goat.
She needs to eat some roaring red raspberries so she can roar like a real lion. Who's this ferocious lion? Are you playing pretend, baby goat?
Big lions have big roars. Let's hear your biggest lion roar.
That was a really good try, baby goat. But maybe you should eat some roaring red raspberries.
Then you'll be able to do the biggest roar ever.
Rooster feathers! The roaring raspberries have lost their red color!
We've got to find the roaring raspberries missing red color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's brown. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. Let's try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the roaring raspberries missing red color.
Mia, where did our baby goat go?
Huh, I don't know, Milo. All I see here is one big, brave lion.
Baby pony needs her graceful graceful green beans to help her be the best at balancing.
Don't get discouraged, baby pony. You just need to try again.
That was a really good try, baby pony, but it still seems like you need some help.
Which is why we brought you some graceful green beans.
Great golly gosh! These beans aren't green!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony re-greenify those beans. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's not green. That's red. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Is this green? That's not green. That's blue. It's true. But what about this color? That's it. You got it. You found the graceful green beans missing green color.
Yay, baby pony! What a big, brave girl you are! We're on our way to feed Baby Goat! Let's go! Baby Goat needs some deep blue sea blueberries so she can go on a stupendous submarine adventure! Well, hey there, Baby Goat! Looks like you're ready to explore under the sea with your toy submarine!
All you need now is a bite of deep blue sea blueberries. Oh, race and rodeos! The deep blue sea blueberries have lost their blue color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Are the blueberries blue now? No, now they're yellow. What about this color? Chirpin' chickens! You did it! You found the deep blue sea blueberries missing blue color.
Now you're ready to explore the sea and search for sunken treasure in your submarine. Let's go feed Baby Pony. We're bringing her a bouncy blue blueberry bagel so she can bounce a basketball just like a pro. Whoa, silly Pony. That's not how you bounce a basketball. Oh, do you need some help?
Yay! Well then, it's a good thing we brought you a bouncy blue blueberry bagel!
Oh, leaping lassos! The bouncy blueberry bagel has lost its blue color!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's purple. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this the color blue? No, that's red. But maybe we can try this color. Bingo was his name, oh, that's blue. You found the bouncy blueberry bagel's blue color.
Now that she's had a bouncy blue blueberry bagel, Baby Pony's gonna be able to bounce that basketball like a pro. Oh, hey there! We were just about to head over yonder to feed Baby Pony.
She needs some peppy purple plums so she'll have the energy to race around on her roller skates. Come with us! Hey! Aw, sweet potato. Are you still sleepy?
We have just the thing to wake you up. Want some peppy purple plums? Oh, leaping lassos! The peppy plum's purple color is gone!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the peppy plum's missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color purple? No, that color is green, not purple. What about this one? Is this the color purple? No, that's red. We're looking for purple. Let's try again. Is this the color purple? Great goose feathers, that's it! You found the peppy plum's purple color.
Whoa, does that taste good, Baby Pony?
Now you're full of pep and ready to roll!
Hey, you! We're on our way to feed Baby Pony! She needs to eat her pink pirate papaya so she can find her buried treasure.
Oh, don't cry, Baby Pony. You'll find your lost toy soon. I'm sure of it.
We know what will help you find that toy. Some pink pirate papaya.
Yeah! Pirates are experts at finding hidden treasures. This is exactly what you need.
Oh, for hay's sake, the pirate papaya has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony need your help to find the pirate papaya's pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, that's green. Let's try one more time. Great goose feathers, that's it. You found the pirate papaya's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink pirate papaya, think you can find your buried treasure?
And I need your help. It's time for us to feed Baby Pig. He needs to eat his bouncy blue blueberry pop so he can land an awesome basketball trick shot. Hey there, Baby Pig. Were you trying to bounce your basketball through that hoop? Well, then we have just the thing for you.
A bouncy blue blueberry pop. This will help you hit that trick shot in no time.
Hoppin' hay bales! The bouncy blueberry pop is missing its blue color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing blue color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. We should try a different color. Is this the right color? Not quite. That's red. We're looking for blue. Let's try one more time. Bounce-tacular! That's right. You found the bouncy blueberry pop's missing blue color.
Now that you've had your bouncy blue blueberry pop, you're ready to give your trick shot another try.
Milo.
And I'm Mia. Time to feed Baby Pig his jammin' orange carrot cake so he can play a fantastic farm song. Aww, it's okay, itty-bitty Baby Pig. Don't cry.
Is somebody hungry? Does somebody want his jammin' orange carrot cake?
Zoe, patty cakes! The jammin' orange carrot cake lost its orange color!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing orange color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color orange? No, that's purple. Here's another color. Is this orange? That's blue. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Well, bless my barn. You got it. You found the jammin' carrot cake's orange color.
Now Baby Pig can play his fantastic farm song.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.